Hello lovely people, in today's video we're talking about eyeliner. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way how to do your winged eyeliner. I hope that you guys will find this video useful. I want to keep it short, so I'm not gonna talk about my favorite eyeliners, so I'm just gonna link them all down in the description box. I'm also going to include why I love those particular products. So yeah, without losing any time, let's get started. Let's go! Alrighty guys, let's do this. So, get your favorite eyeliner. Whatever it's easier for you to apply. Liquid, pen, gel, whatever it is. Today I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner, but I think that the pen eyeliners are really beginner friendly. So if you're new to eyeliner, I don't know how that happened. I was saying that if you're new to eyeliners, I would definitely recommend you to go with the pen eyeliner because it's just really easy to apply. I like my eyeliner to be really thin in the inner part of my eye, and as it gets towards the outer corner, I like to make it thicker and thicker and thicker, and then bloop, a wing. Okay, so this is the kind of eyeliner that we'll be doing today. So I'm gonna start off from the outer corner of my eye, working my way towards the inner corner. I'm not gonna create the wing just yet. I want you to pay attention to how I'm holding the eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna start off by pressing the applicator of my eyeliner on my skin like this, from the outer corner towards the inner corner of my eye. Just doing stamping motions. Press, press, press like this, and as it gets towards the inner corner, I'm making that line thinner and thinner and thinner. Right? You can also use small strokes if you're not comfortable with the stamping motions, but I feel like it's really easy when you do little stamps. Let's do it on the other eye so you can see one more time. Okay, so I'm starting off by pressing that applicator on my skin. Make sure that you keep that line as close to your lashes as possible. And the applicator just does all the work for me. See, really nice, sharp line, everything looks really clean. The trick is to start off from the outer corner and working your way towards the inner corner, because if you start applying your eyeliner from here, from the inner part of your eye, sometimes you can make it look really thick and even thicker on the outer corner, and you know, it can be a mess. So start off at the outer part where you want your eyeliner to be a little bit thicker and work your way towards the inner part where you want it to be thinner. This is the base of our eyeliner. You can stop here if you don't want to extend it into a wing. By the way, this technique will work with every kind of eyeliner applicator, okay? Even if you use a brush, it will still work. You guys ready for the wing? I'm gonna show you a really easy way how to do it now. It's super easy from here. Now for this step, I want you to take your mirror and place it right in front of you. Not up here, not down here, right in front of your face. I'm gonna keep mine a little bit lower because if I hold it here, you won't be able to see what I'm doing. Now imagine that you create an extension of your lower lash line, which will be pointing towards the tail of your brow. Here is how you do it. Just use small strokes. Here you go. You want something like this. The longer the line that you create, the bigger the wing will be. Now go a little bit away from your mirror and check out if the lines look even on both of your eyes. If they're not, just wipe them off and redo them again. Or wipe the one off and redo it again so that it can match the other one. Okay, you get it. Now, what you're gonna do is you're going to connect this line that you just created with the line that you already have along your lash line. You can close your eyes for this. Boom. And fill in the gap. And if it looks uneven, just even it out. You can do stamping motions, you can do little strokes, but yeah, you can perfect it now. If you've done any mistakes or you just feel like the wings are not even on both of your eyes, take a makeup wipe off what you don't like and do it again. It's makeup. You can always wipe it off and try again. And I'm just gonna clean up the wing with some concealer so that it can look very nice and crisp. I think that for my natural eye shape, the smaller the wing, the better, because if I extend the wing too much or if I make it too thick, my crease will kind of break the wing and it looks weird. You should definitely adjust it to your eye shape, and you can only know what looks good on you if you try out different stuff, right? So definitely take the time and let me guys know if you want to see more detailed video on eyeliner. I definitely want to keep this one as short as possible, but let me know if you want to see more in-depth one. I don't know why I did this. Okay, I'm gonna go add some poses and I'm gonna be back. Alrighty guys, so this is our final look. I would say that if you decide to wear falsies, make sure that you don't spend time perfecting your eyeliner before you add the falsies, because sometimes when you apply the false lashes, they can kind of mess up your eyeliner. So do the perfecting part after you apply the falsies. I want to wish you guys have a good eyeliner day every day, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell button which is right next to it, because that way you will get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!